everyone, welcome back to English Elevate. Today we are going to learn Fluent Speaking Series Part 2. Do you speak English in short, broken sentences? That's why you don't sound fluent. Here's a simple secret to sound smooth and confident. Use connectors to make your speech flow naturally. Let's some powerful connectors. Here are some powerful connectors. Let's see an example. I can say I was tired. I didn't go out. But if I use a connector, it becomes I was tired, so I didn't go out. See the difference? One small connector makes your sentence flow naturally. So remember, fluency isn't about speaking parts. It's about connection between your ideas. So start using connectors today and speak like a natural English speaker. Do this daily for 5 minutes. Don't forget to follow for more English tips. Like, share and subscribe.